Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my brand new daily planner for dog lovers. This is my final planner design for this year and it is now available on Amazon. But before I start, I'd just like to ask you a little favor. If you want to see more videos and get notified, then please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And with this out of the way, let's have a look at my planner. For this planner I chose a variety of brushes in Procreate and I wanted to paint a playful border collie with a ball in his mouth. On the front page you can see the dog standing on grass and the back shows two clouds and paw prints. The inside has the following pages: a front page for name and email address plus paw prints. The planner bit is designed so people can add their own time and dates in the to-do section and 3 things that need to be prioritized. The opposite page has space for doodling and notes. The planner has 295 pages, including 6 pages for adding contacts. The planner is available as a glossy hardback and a matte paperback. You can buy this planner on Amazon and you can find the Amazon links below the video. I hope you like my planner. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment and I try my best to answer it. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.